Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Becky.
We are registered dietitians that are passionate about real food as medicine.
In this video, we are making a delicious and very simple keto peanut butter chocolate shake.
Yes, this recipe is a fan favorite in our 12-week keto reset. This is a food as medicine program to help you to unlock stubborn metabolism and use fat as fuel. This recipe can be modified for other household members depending on their metabolic flexibility. You could add a half or even full frozen banana, and it's a welcomed creamy boost of potassium and B vitamins.
We love including a shake in your keto reset diet once a day because this is just a super simple win. It's a way to get a great boost of protein. It's a way to keep calories controlled, and you don't have to cook anything. So this can be a breakfast or a lunch, or I even have some clients doing shakes for dinner.
Yes, absolutely. The macros of this recipe come down to 420 calories, providing 38 grams of protein, only 10 grams of carbohydrates, and 25 grams of fat coming from that full fat coconut milk and peanut butter.
All right, let's whip it up, starting with, we've got a cup of filtered water in our blender.
Yes, so we're making a double batch here so we can have a nice lunch after this. So I'm going to add a third cup each, so 2/3 cup of full fat coconut milk. This is going to have MCTs or medium chain triglycerides to further enhance ketone production in the body.
Okay, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of peanut butter for each, so 2 tablespoons total. Really nice creamy mouthfeel, some more satiating fat, and you can absolutely use almond butter or your preferred nut butter of choice here as well. Get that guy in there.
All right. Now we're going to level things up with some food as medicine with the powders we're going to add into this protein shake. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon per shake of this CocoTropics from our friends at Wild Foods. This is raw cacao powder, which provides potent antioxidants to offset inflammation and oxidative stress, along with turmeric, another powerful anti-inflammatory, maca, which is an adaptogenic compound to help us with stress resilience and tolerance, as well as medicinal mushrooms, chaga and reishi, to support further adaptogenic function against stress, as well as immune supporting benefits. So this is going to provide us a nootropic enhancement or aid with cognition, focus, even concentration without that agitation and anxiety like we can get with too much caffeine.
Okay, and then I'm gonna add some ice just to chill this a little bit. Also, like Allie said, if we're making this for another household member, they could absolutely do half of a frozen banana in there.
All right, let's get it blended.
Okay, and then once that's blended, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of our Whey Protect. So this is a non-denatured, low-heat processed grass-fed whey that is enhanced with immunoglobulins here. And we're doing 1.5 scoops per recipe to really level up our protein. Plus, we're getting an immune boost from those immunoglobulins.
Yes, each scoop of our Whey Protect provides you 1 gram of immunoglobulins to help to protect your body from exposure of toxins, as well as pathogens and even mold. So can protect against virus, bacteria, and support gut bacterial balance. So big ups for that. And then we love also Whey Protect for the goals of weight loss because of the leucine amount per scoop.
So actually each scoop is going to provide us 2.5 grams of leucine, which is the amount that you want to have for muscle synthesis optimization.
Just enough to incorporate that Whey Protect. Let's give it a taste. A great way to pack a lot of nutrient density into small volumes. So this could even accompany a child's early morning breakfast routine to pack in some protein and nutrient density. Cheers. Cheers.
Creamy, it's peanut buttery, it's chocolatey, it's delicious, and it's so easy that there is no excuse not to do a keto reset with a shake like this.
Be sure to like this video, comment below if you've tried this recipe, and be mindful as you're shifting your palate from sweet and hyper palatable processed foods into savory whole real foods that you could even use a little bit of carbohydrate as you're weaning down. So maybe it's 1/3 of a frozen banana or just 1/4 of that frozen banana, giving you just a 3 or 4 gram of carbs to start to adjust that palatability to more bitter and savory.
Be sure to join us in our next round of our keto reset, and make sure you're subscribed to the Naturally Nourished YouTube channel so that you never miss one of our bi-weekly releases.
but we want you to channel, whoops,